Product information. Our custom meal plan service was designed to help men and women all over the world turn their lives around and take charge of their health and figure. The custom keto diet is a brand new product that allows someone to create their very own keto diet plan based on their food preferences, daily activity levels, height, weight, and target weight goals. We use scientific research and proven studies to create personalized ketogenic diet plans that maximize fat burning via the correct calories and macronutrients for each individual. The customer's keto diet plan is available to access immediately after payment. Here's what they will get. An 8-week meal plan created based on the expertise of certified nutritionists, personal trainers, and chefs. Meals that have calorie and macronutrient content tailored to their specific situation and goals. A nutrition plan with food variety to ensure they will get a wide range of nutrients and boost the likelihood of sticking to their diet. Meals that are based on personal food preferences to make their diet enjoyable and help them stay on track with their plan. Detailed recipes with step-by-step instructions to make meal preparation super simple, no prior cooking experience needed. A downloadable shopping list each week that details every needed ingredient they will need in the upcoming 7 days. Options on how they can customize every meal even more to suit your taste buds. We'll show them what to eat every day to reach their goals in the fastest and most enjoyable way.